Hey! What's going on in here? Forever Miss Book. We're gonna change your name to Book. Look at her. Look at her.
What do you mean you're going to change your Sarah name to Book?
Because she loves books, so we're gonna call her Miss Book. Hi Tyler, how are you? Say hello to the faves.
And you're going to call me Mr. Star Wars.
Okay, Mr. Star Wars, say hello to the faves.
Wagwan.
To Sarah. Sarah. Miss Book. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Can you say hi? Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. Babe would say she need time to read our book. Sarah, you saying hi? Pretty in pink. Sarah, say hi. What are you doing? You're reading? You're reading book? Book? My daughter loves books like crazy. Oh, hi Faze. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new wet, soppy day here in France. It's raining outside, cats and dogs. And our day initially should turn out different, but whatever Almighty ordained for our life, we just have to go with the flow. So this morning we woke up and was set out on a few missions. Yesterday we had a flat tire on our car. Police was on the road, and we had slowed down at a police feet, and he said to us that we have a flat tire, and we're like, oh my god, we're almost home though. Anyway, put a little air in it with a hand pump, and then we figured more or less that something was wrong with the tire. So today we set out that we're going to put some air in it, or go to the tire shop, only to realize that today is actually a holiday here. Today is Labor Day here, so everywhere is closed.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Dad?
And we give flowers to everybody we love.
Today, right?
Yes.
Yes. Today is also the day where a lot of flowers are sold in France. It's just a tradition. That's why you hear Tyler saying today we give flowers to everybody we love. That's what Mitchell tell you at school?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, so that's what we set out to do. And I also had another mission where a Jamaican that used to live here in France, if you watch a few vlogs back, a Jamaican had came here to visit me. Shanna owned an apartment here in Nice, and I was supposed to go there to pick up the key from the persons who were renting, but the car tire keep going down, so we can't go by car. I said, okay, I'm gonna take the bus or the tram. Then I realized, oh snap, it's holiday. Everything here is closed on today, which is Labor Day. Normally on a holiday you would still get bus, but this is one special day where nobody works at all. So unfortunately I won't be able to go until tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow is the next day to speak for itself. Yes, Ty?
I see something too.
And
Happy May.
Happy May! Today's the 1st of May!
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so that's what happened this morning. We went to put air in the tire, but realized that something wrong, so we had to slowly return home. Thank God we made it back home, and now babe have to call the garage on Monday because today's holiday, so you won't get anybody if you call. So we're gonna have to call the garage on Monday to bring the car in. So we have to get new tires. When it rains it pours, does it? You have to get new tires, and I think something is also need to fix with the brake and the wiper. We need to change the wiper, so we had bought that in the supermarket last week, so much need to be done with the car. Anyway, it's in a bit we will change car, so because we have this car for a while now and it's going down, so we need to change it. But it's taking us where we needs to go, so we hanging on to it for a little bit longer until we can afford a new bigger car, hopefully. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated. I have a few more things on my agenda today. I'm going to jump in the kitchen right now because I have a few things to do. So come along with me while we go. We put some things in the kitchen, and I'm gonna put this girl down for a nap soon because we went on the road this morning, so she didn't take her morning nap, and it's almost time for her afternoon nap. So let's go and take care of everything that I have to do for the day. Watch him hide. Me just see baby hide me. Nah, he can't even hide properly.
I got the wig. No, that wasn't funny. Sorry.
No, that wasn't funny.
Delete.
You're a hot mess.
What's going on here?
You're a hot mess.
You want to laugh inside you, no? You know
Can you say hello to the faves and stop you trouble and leave my hair alone?
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. This is a brand new weekend. This is a brand new weekend. This is a lot of things to do. A lot of sleep to get back.
What a lot of things to do? What you have to do?
Me? Thinking. I have to think. That's a lot. That's a lot. I have a lot to think. So yeah, she does the thing, I think the things.
I does the thing and you do the thinking.
Yeah, headache about to come today. You want to make
why a headache about to come?
If I get a headache at the end of
I
the
don't
day?
need to make a bet. I know you will. I don't even have to think about it. I know it's going to come one way or another.
Yeah.
You're going to sleep now?
Get some rest, yeah.
Alright, go on. I'll be in the kitchen. You know where to find me if you need me.
Yeah. I need to do like personal call, you know, ring the button.
Yeah.
Ding ding, why you? Like if we live in a castle.
Like if you're in a hospital, more like a hospital than a castle.
Yeah, press the red button.
Yeah, press the button if you need
What
me.
do you want? I just want to go pee pee.
You're a hot mess. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to get some things done right now. So stick and stay. Subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Give this video a thumbs up right now. And enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Okay, you guys, so you guys probably wondering, what is she doing? I am about to make an apple pie. You heard it. You heard it, shorty. We're stopping by Tyler's friend. Let's stop saying Tyler's friend. We're stopping by our friends later, and I'm going to carry an apple pie. Normally in France, when you go to somebody's house, you carry something, and since we're going during dinner hour, I said, okay, let me carry an apple pie. So I'm about to whip up the apple pie right now. So I just have my apples in here that I just go ahead and cut up, add cinnamon on it, and I'm gonna put it on the stove top a bit to cook first before I put it in the pie pan. So let me go ahead and do that. Apple pie has been one of my favorite things to make ever since high school. I remember during my food and nutrition class exam, I made apple pie and sweet and sour chicken and a cake, a sponge cake for my exam. I'll never forget that. Yes. Anyway, you guys, I'm making an apple pie right now. And then after the apple pie, I have another thing to do. Well, you guys stay tuned and see what it is. What it is. So I put cinnamon, I put a little bit of salt, and I'm going to add some sugar to that. One of the main ingredients. And I'm also going to add a little bit of flour to that for the thickness. Some people add cornstarch to theirs, but I'm adding flour to mine. And I'm just gonna put this on the stove and let it steam a little bit, and then I'll transfer it to the pie pan. Also gonna add just a little bit of water in the pot just to make it steam just a little bit. Voila! So you can't even see the water in the pan. That's all you need, and then into the pot we go on low heat. While that is going, I bought the pie crust at the supermarket, so I'm going to go ahead and add that into my pie pan. You guys, I'm on a baking roll today because I'm also making a bread pudding. Reason being is that the same friends that we're seeing today, they're coming over for lunch tomorrow. I'm hosting tomorrow, so I'm making bread pudding for dessert. So I'm making it from today, so that way tomorrow it can be bomb. So I'm using sweet bread, so good, and I'm adding a little white buttery bread to it. So I'm just prepping the things for the bread pudding, and I'm not making a big one, I'm just making it in this. So I'm making it really small. And I also have bread pudding on my food channel, so if you guys want to see how I make my bread pudding, then head over to, you know, Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. So I'm just cutting up the breads, putting them in the container, and then I'm going to prep the liquid to throw over it and let it sit for a while before I bake it. Okay guys, the apple's ready, so I'm going to put the apples on the pie crust. Apples are on, and I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna cover this. Alright you guys, so that's my pie. Put a little rose in the middle, and I'm putting on some egg wash on it. And the reason why I'm using my fingers is because I don't want the egg to touch the apple, because I basket weave it instead of covering it completely. So I'm just touching each of the weaves with a little egg wash, so that when it finishes baking, it can have a very nice color. Yeah, but yeah, this will bring back so much memories of high school, because this was literally my favorite thing to make in high school. Alright guys, so here's the liquid for the bread pudding as the pie is in the oven, and I'm gonna throw this all over it and let it sit here and soak it up. Don't waste my liquid, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, you want to make sure that every bread gets some. Every bread gets some. Now I'm gonna sink that down. I'm just going to gently push it down so that all the bread gets some of this goodness. There we go. That's pure perfection. All right, I'm just gonna let this bad boy sit here, soak up this goodness, and then we're gonna bake it when the pie is done. Voila, there we go. All right, guys, there goes the apple pie, all done and ready for belly. So this is gonna go with us later. And in here I have the bread pudding going. You guys can't see it properly, but yeah, you guys, I've been here just creating content all day. The kids been loving Sarah room lately, I see. Oh, it's fine there.
Sarah, what is this?
Look at it.
No, box. I'm pointing this and she thinks it's juice.
That's okay, you correct her when she gets it wrong, okay? Your sweet big brother.
Potatoes, the next day pepper and her going put up the
It's because I come while she left. Okay, I'm gonna go. Go shit to the tent. Princess, your brother reading book? Look at her floor. She, of course, you guys know that she pulled down the book basket. It doesn't make sense I pull it back up because she's gonna pull it down again. So I just leave her, let she play with the books. So many things to play with, but she decided it's the books she wants. They're too cute. You guys, and that's where I'll end the vlog for today. We had such a long productive day, and the bread pudding came out amazing. Unfortunately, at this point of me recording this, it is finished, and it was so good, but I think you guys will see it in tomorrow's vlog when our guest is here. But yeah, I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching, and give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let us know what part of today's vlog was your favorite. My favorite is seeing the kids just reading books and Tyler reading to Sarah. Anyway, comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, of course. Tell a friend and subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.